Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to set study mode in iPhone. Study mode helps you focus on your studies using your iPhone by reducing distractions while you study. And here are the simple steps to set up the study mode on iPhone using the focus mode. First is to unlock your iPhone and open the settings app. Scroll down and tap the focus. Tap the plus button in the top right corner. Then choose Custom, type Study as the focus name. Then choose an icon like brain, book, etc. And then tap to choose a color. Provide a name and tap Next. Now tap on Customize Focus. And here tap People and choose Allow Name or make sure there is no people on the Add People section. Now let's go back. Tap Apps and make sure you choose an app to allow and allow only study related apps. Turn on time sensitive notifications. Now go back, go to Customize Screens, and choose to go to the lock screen or home screen. Choose a minimal lock screen and home screen for studying. Tap the check button. Study mode is now ready to use. Extra tips. Turn it on quickly via Control Center. Set a schedule so it starts automatically. Hide distracting apps during study time. Works on iOS 15 and later. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.